Hi, myself Pramod Kumar. In this video, I am demonstrating input-output characteristics of common emitter configuration, that is BJT common emitter configuration. The detailed description of this experiment you can download from below link. This includes input and output characteristics and parameter to measure in this experiment. Let me begin with ArcAD capture tool. When you open this tool, you have an option called File, New, Project. Here you need to give an reference experiment name, like I'm entering here BJT EXP. Then select the instance libraries, that is analog or mixed mode. Then browse to the location where you want to save the design. Press OK. Then it's asking for existing project to open. Go for create blank project. Here you have a blank project opened. Then you need to place the component. To do this, go for option place in that part. Click on this part. Here type the instances required. For example, here PNP transistor or NPN transistor. Now for transistor begins with the instance name Q 2N2222. This is an NPN transistor. Press enter. Then you have a component on your mouse. Place the component. Press escape. I will zoom for reference. Now you can see the NPN transistor. Then we need a resistor, or just you need to type the instance and press enter to bring the components for editing. And I need a VDC for input base and output collector. Press escape. Connect all these components using wire. Okay. Connect emitter to the ground. Bring the ground from this side. Select 0 cap SYM. Now you have all instances, but you need to modify some of the parameters like base resistance having a lowest current by applying 100 kilo ohms, and the probes for input characteristics. Type here VCC, press enter. Then the mouse pointer having the probes, place the probes on input as well as output. Press escape. Modify the output terminal voltage as a VCE and input terminal voltage as a VBE, and then input voltage as VBB, and collector voltage as VCC. Immediately after this, you can go for simulation. Now go to PSpice in that new simulation profile, then give some simulation reference name. Here, for example, here I'm giving TST1, create. Then on the back there will be a PSpice window to pop up. Here you need to select DC sweep. For input characteristics, you need to vary the primary sweep, that is input voltage supply VBB, varying from 0 to 5 volts with a 0.5 step size. And the secondary sweep, constant parameter throughout the characteristics, VCC 0 to 15 with a step size 5. Press OK, then go back to the PSpice, run this simulation profile. Now you have a PSpice window, but this PSpice window not having any reference on x-axis or y-axis values. To do this, use plot option for x-axis, trace option for y-axis. For plot, add axis. Here add axis variable. Select for input characteristics, the x-axis variable will be VBE, and in trace y-axis variable will be IB. Now here you can see, I will make it bright for you to observe the waveform. Okay, now you can see this is the characteristics for collector voltage 5, 15, 10, 15. Okay, means you have a 3 characteristics as prescribed in the manual, like this. If you want to do a output characteristics, just close PSpice, go back to your design, and then PSpice, edit simulation profile. Here change the primary sweep as a VCC, because for output characteristics you are going to measure output voltage versus output current. Okay, then VCC varying from 0 to 30 or 15 with a step size increment is 1, and secondary sweep VBB varying from 0 to 5, step size is 1. Okay, press OK, then go for run. Again, PSpice window, you need to select x-axis from the plot. X-axis variable for output characteristics is VCE. Select VCE for x-axis, press OK, and y-axis from trace, add trace IC. Then I'm making sure it starts from y-axis starts from 0, that's all. Okay, now if I want to make a brightness for you, a little bit bright, here you can see the characteristics on the top is for base voltage is 5, that is base current is 50 microamps, 40 microamps, then 30, 20 and 10 microamps as prescribed in the manual output characteristics. Okay, that's all. Thank you